This is HI55 House, a stunning residence designed by Arshia Architects, located in West Hollywood, United States. Completed in 2019, this 1,870 square foot home embodies architectural purity, blending sharp geometric forms with a monochromatic contrast of white and dark wood. The living area seamlessly merges indoor and outdoor spaces through floor-to-ceiling glass panels, featuring a monochromatic palette, modern furnishings, and minimalist architectural details for a refined aesthetic. This open-concept kitchen and dining area features sleek white cabinetry, minimalist aesthetics, and abundant natural light from floor-to-ceiling windows, creating a bright, modern living space. This staircase seamlessly integrates with the open-plan layout, featuring sleek, dark-toned steps that contrast with bright white walls, enhancing spatial depth and modern architectural flow. This bedroom features a seamless indoor-outdoor transition with floor-to-ceiling glass doors, a private terrace, and a minimalist design emphasizing natural light and spatial openness. This bathroom features a sleek, glass-enclosed shower, skylight for natural illumination, marble surfaces, and minimalist floating vanity, emphasizing modern elegance with clean architectural lines. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.